Good morning. Today we will discuss the data transfer or black move. Data transfer or black move. Data in external memory. External memory. We can transfer n number of data from one external memory to another external memory. Here 8500H, 8500H F of data, 8501 EE data and 8502 CC data and 8503 DD data and 8504 A8 data. This is for source memory address location. Source memory. Now this memory data to transfer into another external memory address location. 8600, 8601, 8602, 8603 and 8604H. Here to transfer the 5 number of data from 8500 to 8504. That memory address location data we can transfer to 8600 to 8604. This is for source memory address location and this is for destination memory address location. For that, first we have to fix the counter, that is number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 data. To fix any one register like MOV R0, 05H. MOV R0, 05H. This is the number of data. First, we have to initialize the source internal memory address location. Source external memory address location in address 8500. For that, we have to use the data pointer. MOV DPTR, hash 8500H. This is the source external memory address location. Now this address location data FF to move the destination address 8600 address location. Okay. At a time we can initialize any one data pointer, that is any one external memory in data pointer. Now already we initialize the source external memory address in data pointer, so we cannot initialize the destination memory address location in data pointer. For that, this data pointer address data we have to temporarily move into some other registers. After that only we can load the destination external memory address in data pointer. Okay. This is for DPL and this is for DPH. 8500. This is for 16-bit address. This is for DPL and this is for DPH. These two represent for data pointer. First, LSB register per address data to move R1 register. Move R1, DPL. The DPL 00 address. That address to move R1 register. Next, MOV R2, DPH. 85 to move R2 register. In register R1 and R2 available for 8500 address location. 8500 source memory address location available. Okay. Next, to initialize the destination address in data pointer. For that, we can use the same instruction MOV dptr, hash 8600h. Now this is for dpl and this is for dph. Now the destination address available in data pointer dpl and dph. Now this address temporarily we have to move into stack pointer. Temporarily to move into stack pointer. Then only we can load. Then only we can load the data 1 to this memory address location. For that, the destination address temporarily to move into stack pointer. Push 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 dpl 00 address temporarily to store into stack pointer. Next push dph 86 it will store the next memory address location of the stack. Now the destination address available in stack pointer. Okay. Next, source address available R1 and R2. The destination available in stack pointer. Okay. Next, we have to move the source address data to this memory address location. For that, again we have to, this address will be available R1 and R2. Again we have to move into same data pointer. For that we can use mov dpl R1 and mov dph R2. Now R1 and R2 address to move dpl and dph. Okay. Now the data pointer address is 8500. Now this external memory address location data to move accumulator. For that we can use MOVX. MOVX means external memory address location data. To move A at the rate of dptr. At the rate of dptr means data pointer address. At present data pointer address is 8500. This address location data indirectly to move A register. Now register A equal to f of. Now register A equal to f of. The first data available in A register. Okay. Next we have to increment the source memory address location. What is the instruction for to increment the data pointer inc dptr. Now address will be incremented from 8500 to 8501. 8501, this is for dpl and this is for dph. Again these two data temporarily to move into R1 and R2 register. After that only we can move the accumulated data to this memory address location. For that they are incremented. Now the data pointer address is 8501. Now address to move temporarily, again the same procedure. RP1, dpl, MOV R2, dph. Now address, this is for 8501 and this is for 8501. 8501 address to move R1 and 85 address to move R2. Now address available R1 and R2. Okay. Next, accumulated data we have to move destination address. This destination address available stack pointer. We have to retrieve. Last which instruction we have pushed, that instruction first we have to pop. For that we can use pop dph pop dpn. Now the stack pointer address is 8600. In this address location we have to move the accumulator content. For that we can use MOVX at the rate of dptr, A. Now A data, F of data to move data pointer address. Now the data pointer address is 8600. Now the first data move. Okay. Next we have to increment the destination address. INC DP ER. Now address will be incremented. Okay. Total 5 data. One data we already transferred. Okay. Now to check whether all the data transfer or not. For that we have to decrement the number of data registered. D, J, N, Z. Decrement jump if no result. Which register? R0 register. Now R0 it will be decremented from 05 to 04. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. No 0 means jump to where? Jump to where? Jump to this one. Jump to here. Now the destination address, next address temporarily to move into stack pointer. Next R1 and R2. Now R1 and R2 the address is 8501 available. Again that R1 and R2 address to move data pointer. Next the move A comma at the rate of DPTR. The DPTR address location letter to move accumulator. Now accumulator EE. Now to increment the data pointer. Now address will be incremented 8502. Next this address temporarily to move into R1 and R2. Again POP, DPH and DPL. Okay, I have already incremented this address available in the stack pointer. Now pop means we have to retrieve. Okay. Now the destination address is at present 8601. Now accumulated data EE to move this address location. Now EE data will be moved this address. Next increment. Okay. Increment this one destination address and decrement the number of data 0, 3. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to this address location. Now push DPL and push DPH. Now the data pointer address is 8602. The 02 to move stack pointer and then 86 to move next address of stack pointer. Again move MOV DPL R1, MOV DPH R2. Now this address available in R1 and R2. Now move to data pointer. Move X A comma the rate of data pointer. Now this is the data pointer address at present. This data to move accumulator. Now accumulator is equal to CC. After that increment next address 8503 source and then the source address location letter to move R1 and R2 and then retrieve the stack pointer address to 8602. Next accumulated data to move this stack pointer address location. Now CC data to move here and then increment 8603 address. Now to decrement the number of data 02. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. No 0. Again jump to here. Push this one. This program will be repeated up to all the data transfer. When all the data transfer decrement R0. Now R0 will be 00. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. 0. 0 means we have to stop the program. For that we have to use short jump. Jump to the end of the memory address locations. This is the concept of to transfer the one memory address location data to another memory address location. Here using external memory. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.